Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Zelle account lockout. So if for whatever reason you are locked out of your account and you're figuring how to resolve that issue, this video is going to help you. Now let's get straight into it. The first method is to simply reset your password. Now you want to do that by going to Zelle's login page and click on forgot password. Then you want to enter your email address or your mobile number associated with your Zelle account. And then you want to follow the prompt to reset your password. Just gotta enter a new password and confirm it, and then log into your Zelle account with your new password. And the second method is to unlock your account through the Zelle mobile app. So what you want to do is to open the mobile app on your mobile device, then tap on forgot password or unlock account. And then you want to enter your email address or the mobile number that you are associated with the Zelle account. Then you just got to follow the prompt to unlock your account. Then you got to enter a new password and confirm it, and then log into your Zelle account with your new password, and that will pretty much take care of it. Now the third method, if all else fails, is to contact Zelle's customer support. Now you can do that by going to Zelle's website and then click on help or support. Then you want to select the contact us option, and then fill out the contact form for your account information and a description of the issue, and then submit that form, and you gotta wait for a response from Zelle customer support. So that's pretty much it. Now there are some common reasons why your account might be on lockout. The first, of course, is incorrect password. So if you enter an incorrect password multiple times, your account is going to be locked. And the second is for security concerns. So Zelle might lock out your account if they detect suspicious activities or security concerns. And the third, of course, is account inactivity. So if you're not using your account, you're not active, Zelle might just temporarily lock that down. So you want to take note of these, and those are the steps I provided for you to unlock those accounts. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.